welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss the problem merge sorted array. Read the question carefully. You are given two integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. Parallelly, I will write. So, what are the two arrays they given? Nums1 is one array, nums2 is another array. Sorted in non-decreasing order means already the two arrays are sorted in ascending order. The elements in each and every array in ascending order. And two integers m and n represents the number of elements in nums1 and nums2. That is, nums1 consists of m number of elements, nums2 consists of n number of elements. Okay, input is given. Merge nums1 and nums2 into a single array sorted in non-decreasing order. What is the meaning? You need to merge the two arrays such that all the values in sorted. Just for simplicity, nums1 is equal to, assume 1, 5, 8. This is in sorted order. Suppose nums2 is equal to 2, 4, 9. This is in sorted order. What is the same? Merge the two arrays. Again, the result is in sorted order 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9. This is the concept they want. Right? Now, again, what they given? The final sorted array should not be returned by the function. That means, after you perform the merging and sorting operation, don't return the function, return the array. But instead, be stored inside the array nums1. What is this one? After merging, the output is in nums1 only. So no need to create a new array. In nums1 only, we are placing this one. To accommodate this, nums1 has a length of m plus n. What is the meaning? This consists of m elements. This consists of n elements. After merging, how many number of elements you have? M plus n elements. That is the reason initially they assumed as the size of nums1 is m plus n. Okay, why? For placing the second array n elements. In this, the first m elements denotes the original nums1 value and the last n elements set to 0 and should be ignored. Nums2 has a length of n. Now, we understand the outputs, input and output. Read this one. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. M is equal to 3. What is the meaning? Nums1 consists of only 3 elements. But they given size as 6. Why? Nums2 size is 6. After this, what is the answer? These 2, 5, 6 are placed here only. These 2, 5, 6 are placed here only. Clear? Now, see this example. Nums1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Nums2 is equal to what they given? 2, 5, 6. So, here I will explain in two ways. First simple one is these 2, 5, 6 placed from this position. How do you? Simply slicing. Nums1 of. So, what is given in the example? They given m value also, n value also. Nums of m colon is equal to nums2. If you return the thing means m colon. So, from this position, simply we are assigning. Now, what is nums1? 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. This is the meaning of that step. Blindly m colon, that is from position number 3 we are placing, assigning the value. After that, again you need in sorted order nums1 dot. This is a list. You already know the sort method. Nums1 dot sort. Clear? Now I will show you what I am doing. Nums1 m colon. Why? Observe, already in the question they given m. After m, you are placing second array value. Now, nums1 dot sort. Run. Executed successfully. Right? Now, along with, we will solve the problem in one more way. Anyway, instead of using that predefined, just to analyze the problem carefully. Now, I will write down the example one more time. 1, comma 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. M is equal to 3. Now, nums2 is equal to 2, 5, 6. N is equal to 3. How do we solve the problem? Now, so I am assuming some variables I, J, K. Why? For traversing purpose. So I am assuming these are the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are indexes. Now, from which index you want to place? From this one. What is this one? So I is equal to m minus 1. That means I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. Why I am taking I is equal to 2? Already these elements are in sorted order. Now I am comparing this element with the last element. Suppose if this is greater than means simply we are placing. Suppose this is less than means we are checking the previous one. So and one more. J is equal to n minus 1 for this. Now K. What is the K value? So for placing purpose, m plus n minus 1. So 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, that is 5. The last position. You got it? Now observe how I write the logic. First I will write down the logic while I value greater than or equal to 0. Means initially this is I value, this is J value. So I am moving in reverse direction. While I greater than or equal to 0 and j greater than or equal to 0. Yes, I value is equal to 2. J value is equal to 2. Condition true. Compare this value with this value. How? If nums1 of I value is compared with nums2 of j value. Here value is 3, 6. Now I am doing less than. So 3 is less than 6. If 3 is less than 6. Now what I am doing? Nums1 of k is equal to nums2 of j. I think you got it. Now what I am doing? K is equal to 5. Yes or no? K is equal to 5. In the first array, the last element is compared with second array last element. This is the largest element in the first array. This is the largest element in the second array. If this is greater than, so place 6 at this position. The position of 6 is fixed. Suppose if this is greater than, assume this is greater than, then what you are doing? Nums1 of k is equal to nums1 of I. You got my point? So compare the last two elements. Which one is greater than, that is moving. Suppose if I am copying this one, you are decrementing the j value. Why? This position is fixed. Now, if you are copying this one, decrement I value. Anyway, whether you are doing this one or this one, decrement k value. Now, in this example, first I am copying 6. So, j is equal to 1. K is equal to 4. Repeat the same. I value, that is 2 greater than or equal to 0. 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now, nums1 of 2, that is again 3 is compared with 5. 3 is compared with 5. Again 5 is greater than. What we are doing? This condition is okay. 5 is placed at this position. Yes. Once the 5 is placed, this element is not at all required. J is decremented. Now j value is 0. K is decremented. K is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Now next iteration. 2 greater than 0. J means 0 greater than or equal to 0. 2 is compared with 3. 2 less than 3. The condition fail. Once the condition fail, else nums1 of 3. At third position, we are placing I value. So here this 3 is removed. 3 is placed. Remove in the sense the copy is available. 3 is placed here. Now I is equal to 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0, 0 greater than or equal to 0. Here the value is 2. Here also the value is 2. Here also the value is 2. That means you can copy this condition fail. Automatically we are copying this one. Now this 2 is also placed. I value 0, j value 0, k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. Now next iteration 1 less than 2. Yes or no? 1 less than 2. So 2 is placed. 2 is placed. Next iteration j is equal to minus 1. The condition fail, we comes out of the loop. That means the entire second array is copied. Once j is equal to minus 1 means the entire second array is copied. No need to do this one. No need to do this one. For example, here assume this value is somewhat greater than this one. Somewhat greater than this one. It is not possible. That means while coming out of the loop, we are checking j greater than or equal to 0 means all the remaining elements are also copied. You got the point? In one situation, we are not copying this one. We are not copying this one. Yes. Now I will write down the program. So this is the simple way. Anyway, you need to understand the logic also. Now, I comma j comma k is equal to, Python's advantages. I comma j comma k is equal to m minus 1 comma n minus 1 comma m plus n minus 1. Again, the meanings are, what are the meanings? I represents the last two element in the first array. J represents the last two element in the second array. K means the last position in the first array, not the means. Now, repeated the loop while I greater than or equal to 0 and j greater than or equal to 0. Okay, first condition, if nums1 of I means the last two element in the first array is compared with the last two element in the second array. Suppose if the condition is true, second array last element is greater than. So what you are doing? Simply place at the last position. Nums1 of k is equal to nums2 of j. Once the element from the second is copied, j is equal to j minus 1. J is decremented. J is decremented. Else. Else in the sense reverse condition. Now nums1 of k is equal to nums1 of I. That is simply the array from first to position is copied. In this I is decremented. Clear? Whether you are doing if or else. One element is occupied. Observe this is like merge sort. Okay? Repeatedly you are doing this operation. One case is there. Suppose what is the case? The jth elements are not at all placed. Now, remaining while j greater than or equal to 0, all the pending elements from the j second part are placed nums2 of j. Now, j is equal to j minus 1, k is equal to k minus 1. According to the question, you no need to return any value. Now, run this program. Runtime. So observe what is the error? Unindented. Okay. Here the simple problem is of indentation. Here the thing is indentation. Now run this one. See, we are getting accepted. Okay, clear? So in this way, that is directly we can use the predefined methods, or you can use analysis, step by step analyze. Okay, that is the program merging sorted arrays. Thank you.